This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, my daughter Autumn, my wife Shelley, and I head out west to the cool town of Casper, Wyoming. There, we meet up with my good friend and owner of Ugly Bug Fly Shop and Crazy Rainbow Fly Fishing, Blake Jackson, as he shows us some incredible fishing on the North Platte River and all the cool attractions and outdoor activities Casper has to offer. This show is going to have some epic fly fishing, some doubles, some incredible views, some bucking bulls, and did I mention some great fishing? So stick around.
Come on, come on. We got it, we got it. Oh my God, we got it, we got it. You're gonna be kidding me.
Hang on, fellas.
You're gonna be kidding me.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
How y'all doing? Good, good. Cece?
Yes.
I'm Curtis.
Nice to meet you.
Yep.
Good
Yep.
to meet you. I'm Abby Bees.
Nice to meet you, Addie.
Hi,
Yep.
how are you?
Shelley and
Shelly, good to meet you.
Autumn.
Hi, I'm Cece. Nice to
Hi,
meet you.
Autumn. Nice to finally meet you.
So where's Blake?
I think he's around here. So, hey, there he is.
Uh-huh. What's it? I know he's not tying flies.
How are you?
Good.
Long time.
Yeah, good to see you.
Too long. Good to see you.
Yeah.
You guys had good travels?
Good to see you. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So how's fishing?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah?
I think we're in for a good week.
Good, good.
We looks like we got good weather, good water,
Yeah.
lots of sun.
I,
Should be fun.
I see that.
Yeah. Yeah, my raccoon eyes kind of give it away.
Right, right. Yeah. We've been playing in the sun a little bit.
Yeah. Good.
So what you got for us? Like reef or?
I think we're gonna do a little everything. Yeah.
Nice.
Reef. We'll make it out to the mile. One day, maybe 2 days. Yeah. We'll have a good time.
We always do.
Yeah. Should be fun.
All
Fun
right.
trip.
All right.
You guys need licenses?
We do. Yeah.
Awesome.
These guys argue a little bit when they fish. Is that all right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
There's no better place to settle an argument than the river.
That's right. That's right. And it turns into a competition.
Probably.
Yeah. And the rodeo's in town.
Rodeos in town. Yeah, we got a lot going on in Casper right now. So
Yeah. Yeah.
it'll be a fun week.
We're looking forward to it.
Yeah, same here.
All right. Thanks for having
Yeah,
us.
you're very welcome.
All right.
When you see the road from every direction, it will give you eyes, give you hope, it'll give you perspective. I've been back and forth, and yeah, I had my crashes. Now I've seen the road, it goes in.
So tell me what's changed out here with Ugly Bug Fly Shop and Crazy Rainbow.
Yeah, we've got a whole lot of stuff going on. We're, bigger and better than ever as far as guide staff. A lot of great employees, and enjoying life. It's nice to be post-pandemic and getting outside,
Yeah.
enjoying the great outdoors.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Runner. Runner. Ooh, head shaker. Now he's shaking. I think. He's bulldogging. Look at him. Yeah, take him. We'll take him to the reel here. When they stay down like that, that's usually a good fish, right?
Pretty good sign, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful.
Blake, look at this fish.
Right at you, Curtis.
Yep.
Give him a nice, smooth, even lift.
Right, like, oh, this is a good fish. Oh, I'm reaching. Oh, yeah. Dude, look at that guy. We are grand slamming it, aren't we? Huh?
That's beautiful.
Look at that.
Big nail.
My goodness, look. Wow. He ate the worm, right? Wow. You know, anytime I get a chance to do a show with my girls, a family show, that's one of my favorites because spending time with my wife and my daughter, it's quality time. There's no better time than doing it with, you know, my family and coming out here to Casper, Wyoming and being with Ugly Bug. I mean, I'm always looking for an excuse to come out here, so it's just unbelievable.
There's no way he's staying on. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh, he's shot. Yeti. Sorry, I made it so hard for you. Thank you. All right. It's a pretty one.
Guiding Autumn and Shelly in the same boat was a fun experience for me. There's a little bit of, you know, mother-daughter competition going, and it was really tight all day. But you can see how passionate both of them were about it. Yeah, it was awesome, man.
Looking good. What a beautiful day. And somebody wanted to sleep in this morning. Autumn had to talk. Autumn had to talk you into waking up today. You got to land it. You're on TV. You got to land this fish.
I might have caught a gold mine. Look at that.
Nice, that a girl. Good fish.
Fishing with Autumn on the same boat was like a reunion. Some of those family reunions can be a little bit tense and a little bit uncomfortable, but once we got our rhythm, and you know, she started being a little less mad at me for catching just a few more fish than her, but you know, you'll see that in the show. When she got past that point, it was all icing.
Troy's got a hard job.
Oh, don't get loose. You're beautiful.
Troy's got a hard job now.
Okay, once you get that head up again, Shelly, keep them coming, okay? Yeah. Put your rod up in the air, lift your arm.
Okay.
And he'll come up, yep. Arm up. And your rod out from the boat.
Okay.
So, Troy had to guide my wife Shelly and my daughter Autumn in a drift boat in confined space all day. So, I want to apologize to Troy. And Troy, if you're watching this, I would go to Blake and ask him for a pay raise.
Whoa, baby. Look at that. What is it? A brown?
It's a rainbow.
A rainbow. Oh,
Are you ready? Keep that head up.
oh my gosh, we're going to get to hold two fish.
Woo! All right.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm falling.
There was a time whenever they had a double, both in the net. Whose fish was bigger?
I still have no comment on whose fish was bigger from that. The double in the net, yeah.
So day one on the Gray Reef was just incredible. You know, to come back out here and to be on the North Platte and look over to the right and see Shelley and Autumn in a drift boat. I had to pinch myself, and you know, to be with my good buddy Blake, and it's June, approaching Father's Day. As I say at the beginning of the show, I feel like I'm the luckiest guy in the world. There we go, that's a good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Like this is.
Gotta let it steam just a little bit, and I'll scoop it.
It's a good fish, buddy, good fish. Oh, he's a good fish.
Okay.
Oh, don't go under there. Don't go. Yeah! Yes, baby, yes! Man! Woo!
Came unbuttoned as soon as you netted it.
Ah!
Oh, no, it didn't. I thought it did it.
Woo! Nice fish, huh? We started out, and right off the bat, I caught a really good fish. What we didn't do, we weren't counting on this windstorm that blew in. And when I say windstorm, I mean it came in, but I had to make a couple more casts. At that point, I hooked into, I mean, a good solid fish. My hat blows off, actually, one of my favorite hats. But when I saw the fish, that was more important. And I thought, honestly, that I really, really was going to get that fish in. It snapped me off. How Blake got my hat back, I don't know. But I'd have traded 17 of those hats for that fish. It was a good fish. I can't tell. Yep. Oh, dang boy. Big fish. It's a good fish, dude.
Good fish.
Good fish. Son of a...
Break?
Yeah. All right, we got to get off the water here. Safety first. I had a big fish, lost it. Blake said it's like 60-mile-per-hour winds. So my hat went in the water. So we're packing up the boats and getting off the water. Unbelievable day, but we got to get off the water now. I mean, look at this. That's crazy. I had the big fish on fish of the day, and it broke off. I know we got to do one bleep. I said one bad word when I lost my hat, but safety first. So let's get out of here. Casper's a special place, you know, and to bring my family to be part of it, you know, to come out here and to be part of, you know, college rodeo, you know, and for my girls, not only to fish with me, but to take on everything that Casper offers in the state of Wyoming, you know, to be able to hike bike and, you know, and shop right here downtown Casper. And, you know, to hear the stories when we come in from fishing, to hear like, Dad, you know, like, this is what we got to do today. You know, man, we saw these mountains and these vistas, and we got to go out and meet the people and hang out. And tomorrow, you know, we're gonna fish with you. And man, it's just like every evening I look forward to coming in and hearing all these stories. This is a place that I truly love.
So one reason that makes, you know, central Wyoming, this Casper area so unique, obviously we have a world-class trout fishery that runs right through town. There's not many places that have that to offer, and it fishes right here in the heart of Casper all the way up to the Miracle Mile like you've seen, and even above. Our business here operates the Miracle Mile, Gray Reef, and then all the way really down to the town of Glen Rock. But we're blessed here with consistent water flows, cold water temperatures, a really long fishing season. We fish all 12 months of the year. The bulk of our business takes place, or the bulk of the fishing takes place from March through about Thanksgiving. But because it's a tailwater fishery and behind dams, you get those luxuries of cool temps, great food, and a super long season.
If it sounds windy, it is. We got up here to the Miracle Mile, just one of those places that's epic here in Wyoming. You know, when you fish Miracle Mile, it's not about numbers, it's about the beauty and just some epic fish. So glad to be out here with Blake and Troy today with Ugly Bug, and hope the wind don't blow us off the river. So
Put on some smaller stuff because I've seen the swallows coming off.
There we go. You said it, didn't you? You said it. You said it. Where we go? We're off to the races, Troy. You're the man. Troy's the man. He just got done giving us the ingredients. I want to go to the reel, but I'm going to just keep the tension on him for now. Oh my. Right here, buddy. Right here. You ready?
Yep, ready.
I'm going to bring him up, up, up.
Oh, he took off again. It's a good fish.
He's a real good fish. Okay. Real good fish. Yes, baby. You're the man, baby. You're the man. Yes. You made one change, and you put me on a fish like this that goes in the memory bank forever, and you know, here we get to put it on Fly Rod Chronicles, that when, you know, I was gonna say old, but when I'm older and retire and can sit back and have this moment forever, I'm looking forward to releasing it and somebody else gets a chance at it. I mean, look at that guy. I mean, look at that. It's ready to go, huh? Yep. Just let it go for another day, buddy. This shoot with Ugly Bug Fly Shop in Casper, Wyoming was absolutely amazing. One problem. It's a 30-minute show. No way we can get all this craziness, all the fish, all the epicness. Is that a word? I think it is. It was freaking awesome. You got to come back next week to see what we got left. Just absolutely amazing. So come check it out next week. Holy, look at, he's still going, look at it. Look, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Hello, Backy. Hello, I'm in my Backy. Right there he is. I'm losing my mind. I am losing my freaking mind.